Kani kedai Batisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan Rashapi daga BDW International School Shillong, day boarding and daycare. Admissions open. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Hadian belami kajing bersyak nak babuan balang ya kajing temu banchna ya kanu Jingtei Barik. Nakaliang jong mentirang bak Jylla Conrad kongkel Sangma ulai thu bak Jingtei jong Sorkar banchna ya Jingtei hak ni kejaka kalong ban Pynïoh Khajna hi nak bentak Sorkar. Hak jing kran bigila pathai kubor aka arpu zau trek unai luar arajar arpo. U Conrad Sangma ula kenturu ya ki ba persyak baki dai ban perkhat jingai namar bakum kini Jingtei kin long hi jing mentoy ki ba Pynïoh nong ya Jylla.
The entire idea has been something that may have been, I think, people have used their own imaginations, I guess, and gone into this. The whole point being that the government has got assets. And we feel that the assets need to be used in the best possible manner, where we balance out between what is aesthetically correct, what looks good, and at the same time getting out the commercial value out of this so that revenue can be generated from this. So we have strongly felt that these kind of assets, which has been done throughout the country, it's not the first state government that is doing that. So the idea is to how to maximize and improve the overall look of the town also in the city also by seeing the value of different commercial properties that are there, land properties that are there, and how we could improve that. So that is what really the purpose of this is, and we will work towards ensuring that a balance is always maintained. There has to be balance between the aesthetics and the looks and the development project, but at the same time balancing out into a commercially viable project. So both have to be taken into consideration, and as a government, that is what we will look into it and ensure that there's a balance so that overall we are using the maximum utility of locations like these to bring overall benefit to the state.